If you've updated your Samsung phone to One UI 8.5 and suddenly noticed your battery draining much faster than before, you're not alone. Many users are reporting abnormal battery consumption after the update. The good news is that a few hidden settings may be responsible, and fixing them only takes a couple of minutes. Let's go through the most effective solutions one by one. Limit background processes. One UI 8.5 introduces several new background services and features that continue running even when you're not actively using your phone. Over time, these background processes can consume additional battery power and system resources. By limiting the number of apps allowed to stay active in the background, you can reduce unnecessary battery usage without affecting normal day-to-day performance. Steps. Open Settings. Go to About Phone. Tap Software Information. Tap build number 7 times. Enter your PIN to unlock Developer Options. Open Developer Options. Find Background Process Limit. Select at most 4 processes. This setting prevents too many apps from remaining active simultaneously and can help improve standby battery life. Clear One UI Home Cache. The One UI Home Launcher controls your home screen, app drawer, widgets, and animations. After a major software update, old cache files may not fully match the new software version. This can cause the launcher to continuously refresh or reload background data, leading to higher battery consumption than normal. To clear the cache, open Settings, go to Apps, search for One UI Home, tap Storage, select Clear Cache. This helps the launcher rebuild fresh cache files and can reduce unnecessary battery usage caused by leftover update data. Refresh Adaptive Battery. Adaptive Battery is supposed to learn your daily usage habits and automatically reduce battery consumption from apps you rarely use. However, after a major software update like One UI 8.5, this feature sometimes starts working with outdated or inaccurate usage data. As a result, apps you use regularly may get restricted unnecessarily, forcing them to restart in the background more often, which can actually increase battery drain instead of reducing it. How to fix it? Open Settings, go to Battery, tap Background Usage Limits, turn off Put Unused Apps to Sleep. Search for Adaptive Battery. Turn it off for a few seconds. Turn it back on. This gives Adaptive Battery a fresh start and allows it to relearn your usage patterns correctly. These are simple adjustments that can help your Galaxy device run more efficiently after the One UI 8.5 update, without disabling important features or affecting everyday performance.